Ready to unlock some awesome VR experiences with that Oculus gift code you just got? Let's jump right in and show you exactly how to redeem it, whether you're on your phone or at your computer first. If you're using your phone, open up the Oculus app. Now, look for the menu icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of your screen. It usually looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on that. This will open up a side menu. Scroll down until you see gift card redeem and tap on that option. It's usually located near the bottom of the list. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can enter your gift code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on your gift card or email, paying close attention to any capitalization or numbers. Okay, what if you want to redeem it on your computer? Open your web browser and go to the official Oculus website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, find your profile icon in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Redeem Code option. Just like on the app, you'll be presented with a field to enter your gift code. Again, carefully type the code exactly as it appears. After entering the code on either the app or the website, click the Redeem button. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation message and the content will be added to your Oculus account. Now you can go enjoy your new game or app.